Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your freelance writing with Grammarly detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on Grammarly's website if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Click on New Document to start a fresh writing project. Copy and paste your text into the document editor. Grammarly will automatically begin analyzing your writing for errors. Take note of the underlined words and phrases, which indicate issues or suggestions. Hover over each underlined area to see detailed explanations and recommendations. Consider subscribing to Grammarly Premium for more advanced features. With Premium, you'll gain access to style suggestions, tone detector, and plagiarism checking. Utilize the clarity, engagement, and delivery suggestions to enhance your writing style. Pay attention to Grammarly's tone detector, which helps ensure your writing matches your intended audience. Adjust your grammar and punctuation based on Grammarly's feedback. After making changes, review the overall readability score provided by Grammarly. Use the goals setting to tailor the feedback based on your audience, intent, and style. Experiment with the performance feedback to see how different changes affect your score. When satisfied with your edits, download your document or copy the final version. Continue to practice and apply the suggestions consistently in your future writing projects. Remember, the more you use Grammarly, the better you'll understand its features and your writing skills will improve. Set goals for yourself to regularly check your progress and implement new strategies. Be open to feedback and use it as a learning tool for your freelancing career. With time and effort, you'll notice significant improvements in your freelance writing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.